As a weather radar ages in technology, it always comes a time in its life when a user would want to upgrade its capability to modern day technology. And Vaisala provides a solution for that upgrade. Vaisala, along with the Cygnet product line, has been performing upgrades of weather radars for a number of years. For weather radar upgrades, Vaisala can offer the RVP900 signal processor, the RCP8 radar control processor, and the IRIS application software. These products will enhance the current capabilities of your weather radar by replacing components that may be out of date, out of life, no longer supplied by your other manufacturers with more recently released components. To date, Vaisala has installed these products into Gemmatronic radars, EEC radars, RadTech radars, Baron Services radars, even some radars that you don't find very commonly, like the MRL-5 built by Russia.